Welcome back to my channel and thank you very much for being here. Today I have a special little Easter project and this is a free printable. So this is my Freebie Friday, which will be in my Facebook group tomorrow, ready for you to download. And it will also be free to download in my Ko-fi shop. Everything's linked below in the description box. So if you're not in my Facebook group, you can download it from Ko-fi. And what was I going to say? It's also a challenge in the Facebook group. When I do a Freebie Friday, we're having a challenge from now on. So from tomorrow till next Friday, you've got to make these little Easter flip down photo pockets or flip down journal writing spots. And so what it is, and I've added a little twine closure, it's just a cute little Easter folio. Got a cute little rabbit on the front, some Easter eggs, says Easter 2024 and memories. And it opens up like this. And we've put another little of the what are these called, labels on there, and it just flips down like this. So you've got opportunity here to put your little photos from Easter, and on the other side as well. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little spaces. But if you can resize your photos down, as you know, when you print them, if you want them to put them small and put more photos. Or you can just use it as an Easter journaling writing spot, or adding any little memories, your chocolate wrappers or whatever you want to do. So I thought that would be really, really cute for Easter. Just noticed my paper was crooked. Okay, so I'll show you what the printable looks like. And you can actually make 2 of them from the one page. And we will make one. So I've already made this one. And we'll make the other one, another one. So this is what the page looks like. So it comes with the 2, and then some little sentiments here and labels down the center. So I've made one and I've cut out the other one. Now this little piece here was left over from the bottom because I wanted to make mine a little shorter. You can make a tall one and just use the whole piece, and you'd have yourself a nice tall one, which would give you more room for photos. But I wanted to keep mine sort of this sort of height. I don't know what that is. I took a couple of inches off the bottom. So I'm going to fold again to this sort of. Sorry about that, my camera switched off for some reason. I'm going to fold again to this sort of size. And then you want your top to fold down, leaving a little gap in there. So I don't need all of this, so I'm going to cut some of it off. I'm just going to tear mine. So this one might be a bit taller. It's just a little bit taller. That's okay. Yeah, that'll be fine. You can add more paper on the inside as well. I'll show you that in a minute if you want to add more. keep those little pieces. So now I want to, now you can sew all the way around the edge of this with it open. We don't want to close it, just you can stitch all the way around the edge, which I didn't do on this one, but I have done on a couple of others that I made, and that looks nice, but I won't do that on this one. My phone's doing some funny things lately because it just switched off, and the other day I was filming and it started playing another video and I didn't even touch it, so I don't really know what's going on there. So the next thing I did was round the corners, which of course is optional. And you can do it with scissors if you don't have a punch. And then I'm just going to get a strip of paper. So I have this left over. And this is just an A4 sheet of tea-dyed paper. So I'm just measuring, leaving a little gap at the top and a gap at the bottom to measure the height. This is how I measure. Just like that. And then I'll measure the width in the same way. Leaving a little gap either side. And as I said, if you don't think you've got enough paper for what you want to put in there, you can join two bits together and keep folding, but obviously the same width. You could do that. So it's going to go in there like that, and then I'm going to fold it up. I'm going to fold it down. And this time I am going to glue more paper to it because I've made it bigger between here and here. I haven't got, you know, my paper strip isn't as long, so I'm gonna glue some to the bottom, so I've got a longer strip. So just let me get another full piece of paper. I'm going to measure it to the same width again. Tear it down. And I'll glue it together just using a glue stick. Attach it there. Now I can continue folding. And I'm going to go up again. down again. And then I'm left with this little short piece here, which is where I glued on, that's crooked, it's where I glued on my little label. So I'm going to get this little label here, it's got little bunny ears on it, and I'm going to glue it onto here. So if your paper doesn't come to, you know, like this, if it comes up here, just, you know, cut some off so you can put your little label there. I did put a little bit of lace underneath it. Let's just cut off another little piece just to add something. Optional. Might get a little bit of lace like that. Just some fabric glue. And I'm just overlapping my paper a little bit. And then I'm adding my little bunny rabbit. So there's going to be my little flip down. Now we just need to glue down the last page. I'm going to use my glue stick again, just because it dries a bit quicker. Try not to glue your pages together. So it's going to go up this way, the back page, the bottom page, and stick it down. So now we've got our little folding. Now I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 little spots for my Easter photos or what have you. Just going to fold that like that. I'm going to put the little nest there, and it's going to say Happy Easter and Family. Wondering if I can put Happy Easter up here. I think I'll do it like that. So just nice and simple. You could put another piece of fabric or lace behind it. So I've got a little piece here. This is kind of like a cheeseclothy fabric with some little embellishments on it. So I just want to scrunch it up a little bit and cut around it. Just mess it up a little bit, sort of looking like a little bird's nest maybe. So I'm going to glue down the fabric. Just bunch it up a little bit. There we go. And then I'm going to glue down my little label with the little Easter eggs on it. ink this one while I'm here. Glue on the back. I think it goes this way. Is that wrong? Yeah. Good. Happy Easter. Now on this one I also added a strip of lace. But I don't think I will on this one because I don't want to cover up those words. So it's different ways you can do it. It's your decision. Just a quick little project for Easter. And then I'm just going to put the word family there. There's the second one. So this one has the little cutout in there and the lace. And then for the closure I just used a little piece of twine. Where are we? So I'm just wrapping it around this way. Piece, and I glued mine to the back. Just with a little bit of fabric glue. Glue it down, tie it in a bow. And just cut my ends off, make that one a little bit smaller. And there we go. There's our little Easter flip down folios. So that's the Freebie Friday for this week. As I said, you can download it free from my Facebook group or my Ko-fi page. And thank you very much for watching. I will see you soon. Bye-bye.